Let me start to introduce you our DES Power Box. The DES Power Box is set to standardize the SCR power solution out of the shelf. As well as a standard product, you can choose a range of power control from 5 kW to 300 kW. The components are already designed to control heater elements, including the electrical breakers. The power controller, here our e-Power, the protection and safety element plus the associated I/O to be connected to the process control architecture and up to visualization control panel in front of the box. You can use the standardized DES Power Box on the glass process application, such as boosting feeder, small furnace, annealing furnace, autoclave, roof and rear heating system for float glass, direct vacuum heating, bushing application, and so on.